Hello everybody! In today's video I will show you the Clipboard history function in Windows. Super practical for the normal Windows user, but also for programmers who write or copy a lot of code. How to activate this? We click here in our search field, type in settings, then we click on systems, we scroll down to Clipboard, and then we activate the option Clipboard History. I have already done this, and so I press the shortcut Windows and V, and then we see a small window here, the Clipboard History with all my copied items. So what we can do here, we can pin some entries, we can delete some entries. So I do this with the last copied entry. I delete this here. And if I click on one entry, it's automatically pasted to my document. So again, shortcut Windows V, and then I paste another picture, for example. And the same works with normal text as well. So what are the important features of the Clipboard history? Up to 25 entries are saved, text and images, no files. You can pin items. They will not disappear from the history and will still be available after a restart. So I have cleared here the whole history, but not the pinned one. The pinned one is available again. So then older entries are automatically deleted when the limit is reached. Cross-device synchronization is possible with a Microsoft account. And you should not copy sensitive data like passwords because they are visible in plain text here. Yeah. That was the really short video. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also write something in the comments. I always like to read them. Take care and see you in the next video.